Good morning. My name is JV Fontabla and I'm going to demonstrate my output for laboratory exercise 8. For this exercise, it is essentially the same as the previous one, which is a grocery list where you can add a grocery item, remove the item from the list, display the whole list, and also exit the program. But this time, it, the difference is that we need to add a fourth option, which is to calculate the cost, or the option to calculate the total cost of the products. So this is all the same. This is the start of the program. It prints out my grocery list. It would ask you what would you like to do, then it displays the set of options from 1 to 5. So if you choose 1, same as before, you would add an object, or sorry, a string. But since we are using dictionaries, we have three inputs. We have three inputs. The first one is the name of the product. So for example, a banana. The second one is the price of the product. So let's say the price of the banana is 5 pesos. And last is the quantity, just how many of the product have you got. So let's say we got 2. Then this function will update the dictionary with all the the information that you inputted. The second function is the removal function, or the option for you to remove an item. It is the same as before, as if you input it to, it will print remove an item, then it will display every item that you have in your list or dictionary. Then it will ask you what would you like to remove. Then you just type in the name, the product that you want to be removed. Press enter and it will be removed from the list. But if you inputted an item that isn't part of the list, then it will display item not found. Then it will go back to the start again. Sorry, not the start, but the start of the function. The third one is display. Basically, if you chose the third option, we'll print the whole list. So if you don't have anything in the list or in the dictionary, it won't print out anything. For the fourth one is calculate. Unfortunately, I couldn't figure out how to calculate the cost, as it is very tricky since the dictionary only allows two inputs. So I needed to use a list so that the price and the quantity can be associated to the product that you input. But yeah, unfortunately I couldn't make this function. And the last one is terminate or exit, which is an option that if you don't want to use the program anymore, just type in 5, press enter, and it will exit. But lastly, if you input anything other than 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the first question, it will display a message, input error input. Then it will just restart the program. Now I'm going to run it. Choose one. Say a banana. Try to say 18. 2. Let's print it. Let's print Louis. Here it is. Let's remove the item. Let's print it again to make sure that that item is gone. So it is. The fourth one doesn't have anything in it, since I was not able to do it to make that. And the last one is exit program. There you go.